So जैसे ही प्लेन से निकले अटेंडेंस जो कैबिन क्रू है शी वाज लाइक मैसी मैडम एंड व्हाट्स द सेकंड वर्ड ओवा दैट मीन्स बाय बाय सी यू सो या स्टार्ट हो गया है एंड लेट्स गो कितने और वर्ड हम सीखते हैं एंड विल लेट यू नो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड oh my god so happy to see you so yes finally हम पहुंच गए Paris France and we are going towards the home because we're gonna stay with our family friends. This is the station, right? You are talking about the 1 million people.
Yeah. Ouais, bon, aujourd'hui,
But
it's
yeah.
not,
Because it's Monday, right? Maybe it's office hours or something.
Yeah,
It's,
everybody
okay,
is,
yeah. Majority of people using metro in Paris, and we are gonna do the same. And it's quite interesting and so impressive.
Cathedral of Paris.
Okay, it's really nice, really cool building. Even though today's weather is so nice.
Yeah, this is it.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Hello, Dominique. Wow.
Now we can go back to try to understand.
This is Palais Royal.
What?
The Palais Royal. Garden of the King. Before, Palais. Royal Palace.
Oh, wow. It's such an amazing place.
We will come back to see the garden and because it's very.
Now it's my
It's
turn.
your time. बरोबर आहे का? Oh my god! You.
Look, the catwalk.
Oh my.
And there, this is the Opera Avenue.
Oh.
And in the end, this is the opera. One of the older opera. But not today. Another day,
Okay.
I will show you more close the opera because the same architecture is amazing there. Like you see, this stone is this kind of the one I have.
Oh yes, the bigger one.
Yeah. It is completely red and voilà, c'est compliqué for you. But...
Oh.
Non, on fait dans l'église.
Ouais, on va. Hop.
Oh.
C'est Saint-Roch.
Chopard, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Bulgaria.
We just passed Louis Vuitton.
Cartier.
Yeah.
Everything. This is all Louis Vuitton.
Oh.
And a few, 1 or 2
Finally, after a long walk, we got tired and hungry, so we went to typical French restaurant and had some good food, and it was delicious. So that's all for today, and tomorrow we are going to Eiffel Tower, so stay tuned. And if you do like this video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on the thumb button and comment down below. Thank you.